This short guide explains how to buy shares of Galp Energia SGPS SA and shows the practical steps. Galp is listed on Euronext under the ticker GALP.LS, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker GALP.LS to find the Euronext listing. Select the entry that matches Galp Energia SGPS SA to open the asset page. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart that tracks the stock. Confirm the name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct share. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will request you add them before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. Check the description for the broker link if you want to follow the same example.